How to create a business Snapchat account. First, go to Safari and search for Business Snapchat and select the first result that will come out. Once you are here, scroll down until you find the option Create an Ad. Select that and you will be redirected to this page. Once you are here, just fill everything up. Then, if you are done, just click Sign Up and Accept. You will be redirected to another page. Now it is asking for your business name, so simply type that in. Then proceed. Now simply put your location. Then click Next once you're finished. Then if you see this, just click Create Public Profile. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.